Greetings one and all. Welcome back to my kitchen here today, where we're up for another State of Origin match tonight. So I'm going to make another snack for that. I explained it all last time. State of Origin's our big rugby league showcase game here, and yeah, I'd like to make a snacky finger food sort of thing. I'm going to do it really easy today. I'm going to use my slow cooker, and I'm going to make some easy pork ribs. So I'm just going to quickly do a spice rub, and I've got my smoked paprika. I'm going to do 4 teaspoons of that. Just rough. This is rough and ready, guys. It's not precision. Get your scales out. 2. That's about 4. 3 heaped ones. Some ground ginger. Just maybe half a teaspoon. Garlic powder. Yeah, about half a teaspoon. Ground cumin seeds, about the same. Half a teaspoon or so. I just saw those in the spice rack, so I might throw in about a teaspoon of that. Dried oregano leaves, or oregano. Some mustard powder. Let's go about a teaspoon of that. And I've got some ground up hot chili powder. And I'm going to, actually, I'm only going to put in about half a teaspoon of that. I'll show you why in a sec. And last but not least, I've just got some brown sugar. Let's go. A couple of good heaped teaspoons of that. Maybe 2.5. How's that? Alright, we'll just mix that up. Alrighty, so I've got here about 1 kilo of pork ribs. Now all I've done to them is they were in sort of 2 long lengths, so I've cut them in half, and I've also taken that membrane that's on the back of them. I've stripped that off. Easy to do. Here, I'll show you how. Okay, now I'm just going to get my spice rub, and we're going to sprinkle a bit over. Just rub it in. And we're just going to flip them over. Get a bit on the back as well. Alright, I've just got my slow cooker out, or crock pot if you want to call it that. Now all I'm going to do is put a layer of those ribs on the bottom, like so, best you can. And just grab your favourite barbecue sauce. Now I am trying this one today. Well, I've already tasted it, and I'm a big fan of Australian MasterChef, and one of the competitions on it was to invent a condiment or a sauce, and the lady that made this one was the winner, so she got to put her product in the supermarket, and it's absolutely delicious. Really nice. It is quite I don't know if you can see that, spicy. That's why I backed off a little bit on the chili powder.
Well, last night on MasterChef, Rue Mapedzi had a huge win, taking out the immunity challenge for the first time in the franchise's history. Her very own barbecue sauce will be sold in Coles stores around Australia from today. It's smoky, sweet, and very spicy.
This is different. This is not like a barbecue sauce that I've ever tasted before. Can I visualise myself buying a jar and your beaming smile in the jar? Absolutely I can, and I would pay bloody good money for it too.
There it is. There's her beaming smile. Rue joins us now! Rue, what should I call you? Barbie Rue?
Look, Rue like kangaroo is perfect.
Well, Rue, huge congratulations. This sauce is very, very spicy. It has 3 chilies. That's a lot of chilies. On a scale from 1 to pricey, how hot is this?
Look, I think it could be extra pricey. So I'm going to say mild for me.
So all we're going to do with that, if I can open it, is just put a generous splashing all over our rib. Our first layer, like so. Get the next layer in. Just sit her on top. Same thing, another layer of sauce. That's it, my friends. I'm not adding anything else to that. I'm going to put that onto low for, I'll check it after 6 hours, but it might take 8 hours. I'll update you on the progress as we go along. Alrighty, my friends, so as you can see, I just took my ribs out of that crock pot, the slow cooker, and yeah, it went for pretty well the full 8 hours, like I predicted it probably would. I've just chopped them up, as you saw. I've got them on a plate here, ready to go, ready for the footy tonight, for the State of Origin. One other thing I should say, that Barbaroo sauce from MasterChef and Coles, I'm in no way affiliated with them. I just I wanted to try it because, like I say, I'm a big fan of the show. It's absolutely delicious. It's spicy as anything, but it's nothing to do with me. But wow, it's really, really good. It probably needs to not be a limited edition and stay in production. Let's try my ribs. Like I say, I've designed these to be a finger food, so I'm just going to treat them as such. Let's see if we can have a look up close. Oh yeah, that's good a taste. Thanks for watching. Thanks to everyone who subscribed to the channel. Really, really appreciate it as always. If you're not a subscriber, can I ask you to hit that subscription button? I'd really, yeah, that'd be great if you could. Helps my channel out no end, but if you don't want to, no worries. And I will see you all next time.